Patrick Hicks here, and today we're going to be going over the 401 wing assembly in a 676 series one-way plow on a 14M cat grader. I'm at the front of the grader here, and the first thing you'll notice is the plow harness and the one-way plow. This is our 109 series heavy-duty plow harness, which is substantially heavier, with a bigger cylinder than the 100 series, and this is hooked onto a 676-12, a 12-foot one-way plow. So looking at the back of the plow here, we've got two adjustable braces that allow you to adjust the pitch of the plow moldboard. And we've also got trip link assemblies here, which are spring-loaded and allows the plow cutting edge to hop over small obstacles as it goes down the road. Now this particular plow weighs about 4,900 pounds, so you can see it does rest on wear shoes. There's 4 shoes across the sled or the push frame of this plow. Now the point of these shoes is to take most of the weight of the plow, and that way the cutting edge isn't going to be digging into the ground during operation. Now I've gone to the back of the grader, and we're looking at our heavy-duty 401 series push-pull here. This is the same type of setup that you'll see on a 301 wing. Only difference being is all the pipe thicknesses and everything has been beefed up substantially. We've still got our extend cylinder, which shoves the wing moldboard out further for more reach onto the shoulder of your roadway. We've still got our rear lift cylinder that's able to float up and down with the contours of the road shoulder. Now, we've also got our safety chain attaching the push-pull onto the wing moldboard in the event of a pin or a bolt shearing. On this end of the push-pull, we'll find the heavy-duty spring here for absorbing shock loads that the wing moldboard encounters while plowing. And we've also got our safety chain here for when the wing is up in its transport position. That chain attaches onto a lug right here, which eliminates shaking and vibration while the wing is up in its transport position. Now looking at the front post assembly on the 401 wing, and you'll find very similar looking setup once again to the 301 wing, with the bell swivel and the lifting bolt, as well as our safety chain here in the event that there's the main bolt gets sheared off. This is a 48-inch post, which gives us approximately a 48-inch level benching height. So the articulation height sticker is actually matched up with a corresponding sticker down on the back side of the bell swivel. And when the front of the wing is raised to where these two stickers align, the grader is then free to articulate all the way to the left without any chances of interference from the back of the moldboard onto this tire. Now you'll also see that the front post is braced with a top brace here, and there's a bottom brace running onto the belly of the grader. Now although the entire front post is bolted onto the belly of the gooseneck right here, we have these other 2 braces on to provide support for the wing, especially when it's up in a benching position. When the wing is about 4 feet off the ground, there's a substantial load up here on the front post trying to torque it off. So this front brace then becomes very important in maintaining stability for the entire front post assembly. So this completes our walk around of a 14M grader and a 401 wing and a 676 one-way plow. For any other questions, please contact our sales department.